is our smoker that we just purchased, electric smoker from Masterbuilt, the 130B. Got it at Home Depot. Not a bad price at $140. Had it shipped to us got about 2 weeks ago, but now we're just going to start unpacking, setting it up, season it. That way we have it ready for the summer. So I'm going to start by taking it out of the box, have it all set up. I actually went ahead and opened it just to grab the bottom foots. I got 2 of these and then 2 of these with the adjustments on them, so I'm putting those on right now before I stand it up right. But I just want to do a slight cutoff between what I was trying to finish up. So these I'll screw down and then we'll stand it up. Alright, so I got the footing on there. Got it pretty balanced actually, it wasn't that hard. So the next up, we'll just open this back up again. And then I already took 2 of the trays out because those are actually with the instruction manual and also those footing. So I'm going to take the rest of this packaging out because we need all that out before we can do anything. Alright, so took everything out. I went ahead and foiled the bottom drip pan. Basically it's going to go out to the back, but decided just to put foil on it. It makes it easier for cleaning and just maintenance. Don't forget to make sure you punch a hole in the back right there, because you're going to need that to drip out on the back side of the smoker. I'm going to wipe down the insides just a little bit, even though I know I'm going to be seasoning it. I just want to make sure I try to remove as much maybe things that are left in the manufacturing process that could be on the walls. So we'll do that portion next. I already went ahead and also rinsed off on the trays. Then I'll clean these as well. This is the back piece for the drip tray. That's to add the wood chips back on the side. So this will go in there, just like that. And that's how you can add more wood chips in, just like that. So I might as well go ahead and leave it there right now. And then we'll have to make attached this on the top. There's a connector there held by 2 screws, so I'll put that at the very end. Okay, now I got everything back in, kind of rinsed out. So when you put these trays in, don't forget to put that lip in the back side, so that way, you know, it could just get caught right here and will come out. Those 4 are in. And we got the water pan right here, wood chips tray that goes in here. Basically that's when the chips get dumped from the side, then it goes right in here. So that's in place. I also got top, basically the thermostat essentially. That's wired in and then screwed down. And then I also have the drip pan on the back. So I think we're about ready to go. We'll probably start this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and it was already plugged in, so we'll go ahead and turn it on. Hopefully you can see it. That's the temperature, current temperature inside. But what we want to do is we want to run it for 3 hours for the seasoning process, and in the last 45 minutes, that's when we add the wood chips in. So for now, let's go ahead and set the temperature. I think most people set it at 275, so we're gonna do that as well. 275 is essentially the max on this, so we're just going to let that run all the way up. We'll see it stop. Oh, nope, it actually reset. Should have went the other way. That would have been easier, huh? Alright, so press that. I believe that sets the temperature. Alright, now we're going to go for 3 hours. Back. Now maybe I should go like this. 3 hours. Press that. That should set it up. There you go. So we've got the red light now. So it's running 3 hours at 275. So we'll come back in the last 45 minutes and then we'll add the wood chips in. That'll finish the season process. So it's already tightened up right here. Maybe I should take this off just in case. I don't know if it's gonna get hot on the outside. It's like buying a brand new item. You get to peel off the screen protector, essentially. I mean, I'm leaving this one on. If there is one, yeah, I'll leave that on there. All right, so we'll be back. Oh, by the way, make sure we'll leave the vent open, maxed on that. And again, still have the wood tray that's in already. So yeah, we'll come back in the last 45 minutes and check on this. All right, temperature still going up. About 8 minutes in. Got that open up and get some heat right now. I did a measurement of the smoker. Got a cover for it because it's going to be sitting outside. I also want to raise it and put it on wheels so that way I can kind of push it up against the wall, or if I need to bring it inside when it rains, but for the most part it's staying out here. It's basically on the first floor, so there's no rain that will hit it, but it's out here in the elements, so I want to make sure it's covered up. But I want to be able to pull it out away from the wall once I do start smoking any kind of meat, so I don't want that, you know, under the overhang up there. So this is the cover I got on Amazon. Based on these dimensions, it's going to fit. So this may be a little bit loose, but that's okay. I think it comes with a drawstring on the bottom, so I can tighten that up. Two different wood chips that I got. I'm surprised they actually came in two different bag sizes, but they're the same cubic feet on there. So, but we got mesquite and hickory. I think I'm gonna go with the hickory this time, just for the seasoning, because I do see this locally. So if I ever run out, I can always pick that up. So yeah, just want to give you an update on where we're at. Not even 10 minutes yet. So it's 151 degrees going up to 275. So we'll come back.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we've got about 50 minutes left, but I'm going to start this up a little earlier. You can tell it's kind of dark right now, so I don't want to, well, I mean, it's 50 minutes. So, but I'm going to start it. So I already got the wood chips in there, so go ahead and put that in there. All the way, and then there we go. Now it's dumped in. So I read, give it about 20 minutes and add another batch of chips. But we'll come back and hopefully we'll start seeing actual smoke come out of there. All right, so I got 26 minutes left. You can actually see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the smoke coming out. I'm done. But there we go. So we're gonna do the next batch. A little bit of chips again, like I had earlier. Alright. Dumped in there already. Alright, so we're almost done. And we'll take a look at it as we're done at the very end. Alright, time is up. So we're still getting a little bit of smoke. Probably just the heat's cooling down. We're still getting some smoke in there, but we'll actually take a look inside. Woo. See that? There we go. Hopefully this maybe a little too bright. There we go. So it looks like everything seasoned very well. I wonder how much wood chips are still left. Actually got some wood in there. Go ahead and leave it for the next one. So, look, we're all good. Ready to start smoking. So, close this up. Okay. There we go. I'll go ahead and turn that off. Okay. Close this up. Looks like actually it's wobbling a little bit. I'll fix that. But we'll tuck it away, and maybe we'll do a follow-up video when we do our first meat. I think we're going to be doing a brisket. Will be the first one. So hopefully we'll get more videos. Let's see. Yeah, looks clean. I'll tuck it away. But yeah, looking forward to smoking some meat this summer.